my dear friends. I am Bhavani. I am studying 9th standard. Today we are celebrating Science Day. I did biology project. The project name is Animal Cell and Plant Cell. Cell is the very important component of history of science, and it also cell is a functional and structural unit of living organisms like plants and animals. Cells have two types: animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell contains nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi complex, lysosomes, vacuole, cytoplasm, cell membrane, smooth ear, rough ear. And plant cell contains nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi complex, smooth ear, vacuole, rough ear, lysosomes, cytoplasm, cell wall, amyloplast. The difference between plant cell and animal cell: the plant cell contains chloroplast and cell wall. The animal cell does not contain chloroplast and cell wall. The plant cell contains chloroplast. That's why the plant cell make their own food, but the animal cell does not contain chloroplast. That's why